Hi, I'm Dr. Steve Green from Advanced Dermatology and the Laser Institute of Seattle. Here in our practice, we have a special interest in offering non-surgical treatments for hair restoration. Hair loss is a common condition that patients are looking to solve. I want to talk about an exciting treatment called Keralase. Keralase is a combination therapy that incorporates laser technology with a serum that together stimulate hair growth. The laser creates microchannels in the scalp where a serum called Kerafactor is massaged and is permitted to absorb more deeply into the scalp to the roots of the hair for more effective and efficient stimulation of hair growth. Kerafactor contains 7 biosimilar growth factors that efficiently stimulate hair growth and enhances the health of the scalp surface. For successful hair rejuvenation, patients will come in for 6 treatment sessions, usually 1 month apart, followed up with annual maintenance therapy. Patients are sent home with Kerafactor serum as well as a shampoo conditioner containing Kerafactor as well. If you suffer from hair loss or hair thinning, book a consult with me to discuss your treatment needs. Hi guys, I hope you liked today's video. If you found it helpful, give us a like, share, and subscribe.